I was fortunate enough to get Hero's second digital drop with the Superhuman Strength. I opened, I think, around 10 packs, and you're going to see some of the amazing pulls we got in here, so let's get started. Welcome everyone, my name's Andy, and I appreciate you taking some time out your day to come watch this video on the channel. Just before we get going, if you are enjoying the content and you want to support me further, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you want to support me further than that, you can join the membership. Enough talking, let's get straight into the packs. Alright, so we have made a few trades. There's been a few things that we've done. We sold some of the packs, we sold 2 of the packs, to sort of make our money back basically with what we've done, because the packs currently are going for around 274. I was able to sell some of them for about 300-ish, and 2 or 3 trades as well when it comes to the pack. So if we do obviously happen to see another deal here at 270, we need to probably get it for 240 or under. Alright, so we do have 8 packs to open. We've sold 2 of them, so we do have the 8, but we're going to open them today. And we'll see what we get. Hopefully we can pull a legendary. If we manage to pull a legendary, that would be insane. We did manage to do really well last time on the packs with the first digital drop. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do the same here, but I guess we can just give it a go and see what we can do our best. So let's get on to the first pack. Let's hope that's not too loud when it comes to the desktop audio. I don't actually know if you can hear it. Well, it's loud for me. But we start with a 570 of the Superboy, with a common. That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. 183 Trench! Oh my god, wow! An A3 Trench. First pack. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me on? A3 Trench and then a Meta with a 1087. Are you joking? A3. Wow. That is absolutely insane. I cannot believe we just packed an A3 Trench. Holy. We will take that. Let's see how loud this is. Okay, that's fine. Let's get on to the second pack. See what we can get. This is so exciting. I always love opening these. These are awesome. I'm not going to look. Let's do a no-look one. Okay, we start with 1,000. Atomica. We got a 189 Eclipso. And I see an epic. A 589 Vixen. Or 559 Vixen. Oh my god, that's incredible. We are crushing it. I actually might see if we can list the Vixen here. I might see if we can list the Vixen here, because I believe they're going for actually a fair whack at the moment. 255. Let's get on to the next pack. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's see what we can get. Again, I wish we couldn't see them all, because we can see from behind it. I can see another epic with a 497 Big Barda. Let's go. And a 240 Donny Troy as well. We're getting some great pulls right there. And another amazing pull. But nonetheless, you know, it's one of those ones that it's fun to open. It's fun to do. And we get a little bit of enjoyment out of it. We get a little bit of enjoyment actually opening them up. Oh my god, I see a 46 there. Lobo, Big Barda with the 46 and a 146 Meta 2. These packs have been incredible. These packs have been absolutely insane to me. They have been mental to me. Absolutely mental. The fact that we are able to pull these. I'm not expecting to get anything in these, and here we are pulling insane picks. Still got another one to sell, but let's get into another pack. Let's see what we can get with this. Oh my, I'm so happy already. We managed to pull exactly what we were looking for, exactly what we were going for. I'll take that every day of the week. And here again, Cyborg with a 162 min, a 142 min of Shazam, an 820 of Shazam, and then Eclipso a 142 min. These are insane mints. These are absolutely insane. I'm not expecting to get anything like this. 3 more packs to go. I might honestly buy a pack on the market, since, I mean, we may as well at this point, just to get another one. They're going for 245 at the moment, 248. Let's see if we can maybe pull up another wee... See if we can get another wee deal on one of these. Potentially get a deal on one of these packs, maybe like 240. That's fine by me. So we've got another 4 packs to open. Let's open one. Let's see what we can get. See if we can pull anything good. Come on. Let's go again. Let's get another epic. Why not? Oh, I'm not seeing an epic there. We got Black Manta with the common. We got a Lobo again with a 167 and a 528 mint with Lobo. So that is definitely one we can be selling. But let's get another pack. Let's see what we can get with this. I can't believe Biscuit's got an A2 of the legendary. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. We made some good progress with our packs anyway. Okay, I think I just saw all commons in here. A 5, 8, 9 of the common Atomica, a 23, and a 170. Yeah, that was quite a bad pack, to be honest with you. That was quite a bad pack. So let's just go straight into the next pack. Straight into the next pack. Straight into that kind of means that you're, you know, I don't know, you're doing something. Oh, what we got here? We got Dark Arkillo with an 857. Oh, a 102 Dark Seed. That's good. With the uncommon, and again another Shazam. We'll add that again to our roster of what we've got. I'm going to buy another pack. So we've got 2. We'll open 1. Let's see what we can get with this. You know, we've got a fair amount of return from this sort of stuff. So I'm okay with opening packs. I'm okay with getting some of those. And we got 139 Starfire. We'll take that. A 72 Steppenwolf and a 252 Black Manta. Again, some great pulls right there. We got another sale for the Lobo with 133 on the sale of that. Our last pack. See what we can get with this. See what we can get with the last pack we're opening today. I might open another one. Who knows? I'm not too sure. We'll see. But last pack. Oh, 2 epics. We got a 382 of Big Barda. A 1910 of Mera and a 320 of Grid. There we go. Amazing, amazing epics. And screw it, we'll go and see if we can actually find another pack to buy. 209 again. These are going at a decent price for what you can potentially get out of these. These are definitely going for a decent price. So let's open this last pack. This is going to be the last pack of the video, but we will see what we managed to get. We get 2 epics in that last pack there. Let's see if we can finish off on a good one as well. And it doesn't look like we can. We got a 1721, a 408 of Black Adam, and a 1100 of Mon-El. But that is all right. We managed to absolutely crush it with those packs. That is something I am more than happy with. We just managed to get a sale there of Big Barda. Big Barda just sold, and Epic Grid just sold too. So we made all of that money back that we spent on both of those packs just from that single pack alone. I don't think anything that we got in that pack just there could actually sell. I don't think we managed to get anything insanely good. Black Adam with a 30 score could do okay. 30 score is going for about 40. We'll put it up for about 35. See if we can get anything for that. But overall, that was a really good pack opening. I'm very happy with that. So we got some incredible pulls in those packs. I was very surprised. I think we were able to make about $1,000, $1,100 return with still a few things to sell a day or so later. So I will take that. I'm more than happy with that sort of return after even getting the chance to get the public sale. I still wish Hero would maybe lower the amount of packs that people can buy so there's more that can get involved in it. I do feel 10's a little bit too high, especially with the quantity that's given, but at the end of the day, this is how they market their product and this is what they were doing. I maybe hope they change it in the future. I guess we're going to see it moving forward. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like. You know, the video on the screen now will be something you'll love to watch. Have a fantastic day.